two teams finish with the same points, same goal difference, same goals scored, everything is equal. So FIFA looks at one more thing, how nicely you behaved. Yes, your team's card count, not your performance, not your results, your conduct. One yellow card too many and you're on a plane home while the other team celebrates. Here's exactly how it works. In a football tournament, teams earn points during the group stage. 3 for a win, 1 for a draw, 0 for a loss. When two teams finish level on points at the end of the group, FIFA works through a tiebreaker list. Goal difference, goals scored, head-to-head results, most fans know these. But there is one more sitting quietly near the bottom of the list doing nothing until it is needed. The fair play score. FIFA calls it the team conduct score. It is exactly what it sounds like. Every yellow card received in any group game costs your team 1 point on the conduct board. A second yellow, the kind that gets a player sent off, costs 3. A direct red card costs 4. Get both a yellow and a red in the same matchup, 5 points gone in a single incident. The team with the highest remaining score, the cleanest disciplinary record, advances. Here's the part most fans cannot explain. The conduct score does not apply only to cards given in the match between the two tied teams. It covers every single group game you play. Every yellow in game 1, game 2, game 3, all of it counted. Your striker got booked in a match you won easily, that yellow still costs you here. 3 weeks later in a tie you forgot about. You are not just playing for the result, you are playing against your own players' tempers. The clock is always running. And here's where it gets genuinely strange. If even the card counts are equal after all that, FIFA uses the most recent world ranking to separate the teams, so you could do everything right, same points, same goals, same cards, and still finish below a team simply because they are ranked higher on a global list. Not the pitch, not the match, not a single kick in the tournament. A number in a spreadsheet decided your fate. At the FIFA World Cup 26, this system is officially in place. 48 teams are competing, and at the very bottom of every tiebreaker chain, your squad's discipline record is waiting, whether your players like it or not. The midfielder who argued with the referee in the opening game, that card travels with the team. It does not expire, it counts. So here's the full picture. Teams tied on points go to goal difference, then goals scored, then head-to-head results, then overall goal difference and overall goals scored. And finally, the conduct score, every card in every group match added up, fewest deductions wins. The cleaner team advances. FIFA built a system where good behavior is, quite literally, a survival tool. You would not think manners matter at the World Cup. It turns out they do. The game has not changed. You're welcome. Subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. It means a lot.